Hi there, welcome back to Viskon 16, and now let's see how we can use the step or heel notch joint. By clicking on it, you can select a piece which you can connect with an incline to another plane. Selecting the plane opens up the window, and here you can select the type of your joint. As you can see, if I type here bigger number, this part got bigger. This is the step side depth. This is our single step joint, but we also have a single step with a tenon mortise, or we can set a heel notch joint. As you can see, now I can insert here a number, a parameter, 5 centimeters. This is only a heel notch. Or I can make a double step joint with 2 parameters if I want to. Now this is a double step joint, or I can make a perpendicular single step joint. As you can see, now this is a perpendicular angle, but the single step joint is with a smaller degree. Let's say we need a double step joint with 5 centimeters each, and clicking OK. Now we have a step joint. So that's how you can use the step or heel notch joint in Viskon 16.